Dang, did you guys hear? A bank at Truckee just got robbed.
A bank robbery? Are you serious?
It was on the news. They can't find this person because of the black suit.
Let's hope they find that sucker soon.
Agreed. This is not cool.
Oh no, this is scary.
Relax, Grace. What are the odds of a bank robber winding up here in Roseville?
Well, it's been a long day. Let's get some sleep.
What was that?
What was it?
I swear it was the bank robber on TV. Let's watch.
Strange. I don't see him.
Oh no, he just reappeared!
Where?
Just for a second, he appeared right in front of us, but then disappeared. Just keep watching.
You might want to check your eyes. I can't see anything.
Well, I know exactly what I saw.
I'm going back to sleep now.
Whatever. What was that?
It sounded like someone was trying to enter my cab.
What's going on? Audrey, please. I'm trying to get my beauty sleep. Sorry, Lydia. It wasn't me.
I have an idea. It's that sneaky robber. Just keep watching. There he is. Zap him, Jack.
On it. Got him.
I'll be back, you useless engines, and when I find you, you all will be rebuilt into buses. Nice job, engines. You helped the police catch the robber, and now he's on his way to jail. Well, it's all part of the job. Plus, I found out the robber's name. Apparently his name is Mr. Wyatt.
Wyatt. Huh. I don't want to hear that name again.
Hey guys, my name's Wyatt. Get out of here!